Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I'm going to show you how to propagate a mother of thousands. Yes, it's the name of a succulent if you didn't know, and this is how it looks. If you have seen my previous videos, we had planted this succulent garden and we had planted these two plants. So these two are mother of thousands. They are also known as the Mexican hat, devil's backbone, and alligator's tongue. It has many names. So of course, just like any other succulent, it likes full sun and it needs very little water. And the most interesting thing about this plant is that it grows small plantlets all by itself on the edge of its leaves. So if you come closer, I'll show you. See this leaf, and it has these small plantlets. So in every leaf they will grow, and then they'll keep falling off, and they'll grow, they'll go to the ground, and then they'll start growing from there. So that's why it is called mother of thousands, because it can take over your garden literally. So you better plant it in a container so that the population is contained. So it's very easy to propagate this. So like here I have a planter in which I have put some potting soil mix, and what I'll do is basically I'll just gently push on these and see how easily they come in my hand, and I'll just drop it on these. We'll take the close-up just in a few seconds, get some more. So just gently push them and they come in your hand. So I'll get some from this plant. And don't worry, I mean, this is the purpose of these plantlets. It's not that you are, breaking the plant or anything like that. So if you look at this, you see all these small plantlets. These are like 2 or 3 leaves, just like a bud. Did you get it? Okay. So now what you do is that you water it a little bit. So I have my sprinkler. So just water it a little bit, and then you just cover it with a plastic bag and leave it inside your house in a warm place. So basically those plantlets, they should stay warm and in humid conditions, and within 1 week it will start to grow. And I have another planter. I haven't opened it, but I can already see. See, you see these water droplets inside the plastics. So that's the purpose, that whatever is the water inside, because of the plastic, it gets condensed on the plastic and goes back into the soil. So the planter stays moist. And see what happened? So this, I did the same process just 1 week ago. And in 1 week, those plantlets have grown like this. And they automatically, find their roots, and they start standing erect. I didn't have to place them in a proper direction or anything. They just find their roots and they start to grow. So once they are about, I would say, 2 inches tall, you can just plant them anywhere you want, and you have a new container ready with the mother of thousands. The color of these plants, it will depend on where you have kept it. If it gets a lot of sun, then the leaves will be slightly brownish, grayish, like these ones. They're green but slightly brownish. And if you put them in little bit shade, then they will be more green and a little gray. So I hope this video was informative to you, and if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.